Hey guys, it's Jared, and I'm gonna go over today's trade recap. My watch list today was right here. We had PLTR, Neo, CCL, AAL right there, and I had two trades. The first one was a loser. It was I went long on CCL, and then I tried to stop out manually, and I actually added to my long position, making it a really big loss. So I took a big loss off the bat, and then and luckily I had a really nice trade to follow it, and I'm gonna end my day up about 70%. If not for this big loss at the beginning right here, this trade by itself would have been 180% of my daily profit target. So this was a really monster trade for me to make up for the initial. So on the open here, what I thought I saw was that these moving averages were holding. What really I should have seen is that the upward momentum really couldn't break through this pre-market level of 24.25, and I should have been more worried about this volume probably, but I wasn't. So I took it long here, thinking we're going to break up and go towards this 200 MA on the 5-minute chart, and also a previous day close. That's what I thought might happen. So I took it long, and then it was clear to me that we didn't have the juice. So I actually tried to stop out right here. Stop out here. Well, I tried to stop out here, and I had a hot gear, and I actually added to my long position, which really made this a really large loss for me. But I corrected it. I saw what was happening. I like that we are now below all these moving averages instead of above them, and I took it short, and took it short there at, what was my entry? My entry was, let me see here, 24.80. So my entry was 24.80, and my best partial was at 23.50. So you can see I got about $1.40 from beginning to end there. So it was a really nice trade. I took it short, partial as we started stalling out a little bit. It pulled back up. I went ahead and added back into my position there. So I did an add right here, partial, another add, partial, then partial out again, another add, and all out right here. I went all out right there, and it was the right call because it hasn't gone any lower. So I perfectly timed the all out, which, it's not like I always do that, but because on the daily chart here that I have pulled up, you see that this is 2 days ago low. So that's an important level of resistance, and then on top of that this is the 9 moving average on the daily that was pressing up there. So that was really my reasoning. I mean, it had been for a long run on the downward side, and expecting some sort of pullback makes sense. So I was able to time it out perfectly, got out right there, and that was my day. So this trade, again, short, we had 3 successful ads and an all out at just the right time. So really happy with this and happy with my day. Hopefully you guys caught some opportunities as well. The market today, at least so far, it's still super early in the day, is in the middle of a pretty big sell-off. So there were a lot of opportunities primarily to the short side. But anyway, hope you guys were able to capture some, and have a good day.